Good morning and welcome to the Polyprofit YouTube channel. Today we are on the road scanning these streets for unwanted treasures. Come along for the ride, see what we find. Could be the best day ever. We're gonna roll the dice and see what we come up with. So let's go. We have cords, definitely. What is this? Oh, Aldi brand. Not very good quality. This is an edger. I think I'll take that. My grass cutter whippersnipper is broken, so that might do the trick. Yes, that might do the trick. Yes, I like it. What do you see? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yes. Yo. Oh, what do we have here? Awesome. We have a computer. Geez, not a bad start. Not a bad start. I love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Check out how cool this ride on kids' toy is. This is cool. Let's hope it still has the battery. Come on, bro. I really should bring my drill or a screwdriver at least. Anyway, a battery. Let's put it back together. Beautiful. Handful of cords is always welcome. Here we are at the next. check this out. Let's take this, shall we? All aluminium. Yes. I wonder what this is from. I don't know where it's from. I don't know where it's going. If I can't resell this, we're gonna scrap it. Oh, sheesh. Yes. Oh. Yes. There's a bunch of springs here too. Easy steel. Yeah! What an awesome pile. Two rotors, 6 springs, and this bar. Awesome. This is too much fun. Quick stop off. Not really much. Oh, what is this? Why is it on that? Okay. We'll take the whole lot. Not really the antenna. We have our token gas fitting. Check. Cord. Check. You know what? I don't want that whole thing. Scrapped our PCs. Bummer. Someone got the vacuum. handful of cords. It rained heavily on the weekend, so everything is soaking wet. Solar. Solar what? This mouth guard. Come on. Who cares? Handful of cords. Add it to the rest. Thank you very much. Copper. Bingo bango. Come on, bro. Batteries, cords, brass, aluminium, it's all happening. It is all happening. Thank you. Pump. Do you reckon it works? Oh, it's wet. It's wet, it's dangerous. Let's cut the cord. Cord. Let's go. What is next? Oh, a deep fryer. Yum. Greasy. Handful of cords. Add it to the rest. Oh yeah? Some gems in there. Okay. Alright, we have reached the end of our allocated time. I have a really busy day and I set aside 2 hours of today to street scrap, and that 2 hours is up. It's 11:30. We started at 9:30. So what we're going to do now is go to the storage unit, unload everything, break it down a little bit. I will see you at my storage. Let's go. Isn't it beautiful? This is beautiful. We'll start right here. We have 6 springs. This is in the category of small, heavy, easy steel. Small, heavy, easy steel. That's what that is. Cast iron plate, which was attached to this. Well, this was attached to the plate, but this also is in the category of small, easy, heavy steel. This aluminium bar is all aluminium, but I don't know what it's for. What car? Maybe there's a marking somewhere. I can't see it. We have cords. You can always count on cords. I love cords. We have batteries to add to the rest. Brass, aluminium, copper, stainless steel, dirty alley, cast rotors, beauty, PC. It's pretty light. That's good. And this set of weights. Boom, boom. pretty good day all up. Before I forget, I forgot to mention, I got this little edger that I will take home. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong with it. Okay, so I'll leave you there. That is a breakdown. That is street scrapping done for the week. Now if you like this kind of stuff, I do it once a week. I put out a video once a week, either street scrapping, scrapyard runs, scrapping where I break stuff down, or even thrifting. If you like that kind of stuff, that's what I'm about. So don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for joining me. Peace.